Welcome back to Akim Academy, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are looking at the B part, okay? The B part of question 12 of 2021 Novdec, okay? It's a trigonometry question, and it was just how it is. This is giving that sign 5x minus 38 degrees equals cos 2x plus 16 degrees. Where x is between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. Okay, we have to find the value of x. Okay, so this was the B part of question 12 of 2021 Novdec. Okay, now what we have to note over here is that these two ratios, sine and cos, okay, they are complementary. When we say complementary, meaning they sum up to 90 degrees. Okay, they sum up to 90 degrees. So what happened is that that's why you realize that sine 30 degrees is always equal to cos 60 degrees, because 30 degrees plus 60 degrees will give us 90. So you realize that sine 30 degrees, which is 0.5 or 1 out of 2, equals cos 60 degrees, which is 0.5 or 1 out of 2, because they are complementary. So you cos, when you get let's say sine 45 degrees is equal to cos 45 degrees. So you get is it root 2 out of 2. Okay, so the two ratios over here are complementary, meaning they sum up to 90 degrees. Okay, so with that idea, now that we know that they are complementary and they sum up to 90 degrees, then we can apply the same methods over here. Okay, so that here is either we can change cos to sine, or we can also choose to use sine, change sine to cos using their complementary system. So the angle over here, we don't know, right? They say we should find x, there's x over here. So we have angle 2x plus 16 degrees, okay, to be our angle for cos over here, the ratio cos. So what we do over here is that we know that with this angle, when we subtract this angle from 90 degrees, okay, because cos and sine are complementary, when we subtract this angle over here, the entire angle over here, from 90 degrees, then it means the remaining angle which will be left should be the sine of that angle. It should be equal, as we just stated right now, that so we have sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 is equal to 90 minus cos 90 minus 30. Can you see that? So sine 30 degrees is equal to cos 90 degrees minus 30, which is cos 60. Hope we are getting it. Good. So because they are complementary, they sum up to 90 degrees. So if you have sine 45, or let's say sine 15 degrees, so meaning that automatically sine 15 degrees should be equal to cos 75 degrees. Okay, because 75 plus 15 should give us 90. So sine 15 degrees equals cos 75 degrees. So that's how it works. So with this one over here, to convert this one to sine, because here is cos, the only thing we have to do is this angle, the entire angle over here, will become sine 90 degrees minus everything over here, this angle over here, which we don't know, okay, because of the variable x. So we subtract everything over here from 90 degrees so that the value that we will get will be sine, not cos again. In the same way, if you want to change the sign over here too, we can also do same, because we know that the sine and cos are complementary. So if the angle over here, which is 5x minus 30 degrees, 90 minus 5x minus 38 degrees should give us the cos of this section, okay, of this angle. So when we take everything over here from 90 degrees, we are going to get cos of that value. Here too, when we take everything over here from 90 degrees, we are going to get sine of that value, because here is cos. I hope I'm very clear here. Good. So over here, what we do is we state nicely. So let's convert this one. I prefer we convert this one. So we have sine 5x minus 38 degrees. This one should be equal to the sine of, okay, this value 90 minus this value. Okay, so we are going to have 90 minus, let's put this one in bracket, 2x plus 16 degrees, like this. Okay, this is how it should be. So the cos over here, when we take this value from 90 degrees, it should be our sine of that value. Okay, so with the same way, we can replicate the system here. We have sine 5x minus 38 degrees. This one should be equal to, so here we can expand it and simplify as sine 90 minus 2x minus 16 degrees. Okay, good. So over here, now you can see that sine is equal to sine over here. So we can peacefully bring our values out. 5x minus 38 degrees equals 90 minus 2x minus 16. Okay, so over here with this, we can proceed and simplify this one straight away. So we have minus 2x over here. We can send it to this side. This one should move to the other side. So we have 5x plus 2x should be equal to, here, when we do the subtraction, we have, is that 74, right? So we have 74 plus the 38 is coming, so plus 38. Okay, 74 plus 38. So here, this is what you are going to have. You are going to have 7x equals 74 plus 38. Okay, and this one should give us 112, right? 112. This one will give us 100, and this will give us 12. So 112 over here. So we divide this by 7. Okay, so 7 will cancel 7. Then we have x to be equal to, when we do this cancellation, we have this one to be 16. Okay, so 16. So over here, it means our x over here is 16 degrees. Okay, it's 16 degrees. And when you fix them inside, I think it will work. So they say we should find the value of x, and therefore our x is what? 16 degrees. So we use the principle of complementary angles, okay, or here complementary ratios, to simplify these ones over here. Okay, good. So this is the way to do it. Anytime you have a similar problem, you can use the same principle over here to solve it. Okay, so you can just follow us on our Telegram page, so that we have all the questions over there, so you have your solution as well to go through them. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe too for the next videos. Thank you. Bye bye.